Merry Christmas, Brittany. Here's your present to Mom.
Merry Christmas, Brittany.
I'm all ugly right now, and I just got out of the shower.
I don't want to use it right now. I'm scared. Yeah.
She really didn't open it, and she didn't let us see either.
Yeah, she wouldn't tell me. Or, not tell me, but she wouldn't let Thomas tell me.
Thomas opened it, though.
Yeah, because he didn't know. He didn't know what it was.
Yeah, I found out what it was.
Hurry!
It's a box.
Oh, yeah, it's a box. Open the box.
Oh, it's pretty.
Beautiful. It's gorgeous.
It's so pretty.
What is it?
It's a
Oh!
cross. Thank you,
She's
Brittany.
only used during Christmas.
You're gonna be wearing it forever now.
Well,
Say
it's
Merry
Christmas
Christmas
right
to
now.
Brittany.
Merry Christmas, Brittany. I love you,
Merry
Brittany.
Christmas,
Merry
Red.
Christmas.
Oh,
Merry Christmas, Brittany.
I love you, Brittany. Merry